Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Blendtec Classic Original Blender. This is the best blender for frozen fruit in our list. With Blendtec jars, you won't waste time tending your blends with a tamper to get all the ingredients down into the blades, and no tamper means one less thing to clean when you're done. Blendtec blenders can also heat your food during the blend cycle. For instance, if you want soup for dinner, a Blendtec blender can blend it up and heat it up at the same time so it's ready to serve straight from the blender jar. No need to heat your soup in a pan. Can your old blender do that? No pan and no additional heating time means less cleanup. Blendtec blenders heat your food. They can also make ice cream. Actual ice cream can be made with the exact same blender that makes soup. Drinks, appetizers, main courses, and desserts can all be made with the same blender using the same jar. The time it takes to make each course could be measured in seconds, not minutes or hours. Cleanup for an entire multi-course meal could be as simple as pushing the pre-programmed, self-cleaning button to wash a single jar, and just like that, you'll be done. Our second best blender for frozen fruit is Ninja Professional 72 Blender. Ninja Total Crushing Blades gives you perfect ice crushing, blending, pureeing, and controlled processing. The XL 72 ounces blend ice, frozen or fresh fruits, and dairy to create delicious breakfast smoothies. Crush ice for resort-style frozen drinks like margaritas, daiquiris, and more. Cool off with frozen favorites like ice cream, snow cones, and more. Make everything from restaurant-style sauces and purees to salsas and dressings. 6-blade assembly allows you to crush ice faster and blend ingredients smoother than other blenders. To clean the motor base, use a damp cloth to wipe clean. Let's learn more.
Total crushing technology crushes ice to snow in seconds with 1,000 watts of professional power. Our BPA-free XL 72-ounce professional blender jar is perfect for making creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family.
Third in our list is Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. A bargain blender's not a bargain if it doesn't last. We know purchasing a Vitamix blender is an investment. But Vitamix blenders are built to last, helping you buy dependable, not disposable. This container is the perfect size for creating small family meals, and fits easily under most kitchen cabinets. Adjust the speed during the blend to achieve a variety of textures, or use the pulse feature to create quick bursts of power. Adjust the speed during the blend to achieve a variety of textures, or use the pulse feature to create quick bursts of power. Every Vitamix blender comes with a tamper designed to help process thick, stubborn blends. Just blend warm water and a drop of dish soap at your machine's highest speed, and watch it self-clean in 60 seconds or less. No disassembly required. So you don't have to stop the machine to scrape the sides. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best blender for frozen fruit list is Ninja BL 770 Blender. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System comes packed with 1,500 watts of power to handle all of your drink and meal making needs. The XL 72 ounces blender pitcher features total crushing technology to blast through ice and frozen fruit. Two 16 ounces Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids are perfect for creating personalized, nutrient-rich drinks to take on the go. The 8-cup food processor bowl comes equipped with a chopping blade for perfect, even results and a dough blade that can mix up to 2 pounds 1500 watt base with 4 dedicated blending speeds puts the power and control in your hands. 8-cup food processor bowl with 2 dedicated blades provides even chopping for food prep and can make 2 pounds of dough in 30 seconds. Explore new flavors and cuisines with the delicious, chef-designed recipes included with your Mega Kitchen system. Our last pick is Cleanblend Commercial Blender. Whether you want to pulverize ice, chop some fresh salsa, or process hot soup, this 1800W blender's variable speed control is up to the task. When a single-serve blender isn't enough, use high-performance blender Cleanblend to handle professional, commercial, or heavy-duty projects. This super blender serves up large batches of creamy, icy, or saucy recipes. Replaces up to 9 appliances: crush, blend, chop, grind, heat, process, puree, or liquefy. Create larger servings of ice-blended coffee, dips, sauce, or margaritas. This large blender also makes soups. Clean eating starts with safe appliances. Cleanblend is made with an 8-blade sealed ball bearing for maximized performance, hardened stainless steel blades, and BPA-free pitcher that's basically unbreakable. This is also the most powerful heavy-duty blender we know of.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!